In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Google Sitekit plugin on your WordPress website. For this purpose, you need to log in on your WordPress dashboard. After login, click on Plugin, Add New Plugin. Search here Sitekit. The first plugin you see, Sitekit by Google. Remember, always check this by Google. Now click on install now. After install, click on activate. After activating, you can set up your Sitekit plugin from here. Just click on Sitekit. From here you can sign with your Gmail ID and rest of the setting you can do. If you need another video on how to connect your Google Analytics Search Console through Sitekit, just comment below. I will make another video on it. Thank you.